Tesla Model Y tops Norway sales 2025 Q1. Tesla did not meet delivery expectations in the first quarter of 2025, and a huge reason behind this was the changeover to the new Model Y in Giga Texas, the Fremont Factory, Giga Shanghai, and Giga Berlin. Despite Tesla's disappointing Q1 vehicle delivery results, the new Model Y still made a significant impact in key markets such as Norway. The new Model Y's Norway comeback. While sales of the new Model Y in January and February were low in Norway, the vehicle saw a lot of momentum as soon as deliveries of the updated, all-electric crossover started. This resulted in the new Model Y ending March 2025 as Norway's top-selling vehicle for the month, with 1,819 units sold. Over the course of Q1 2025, Tesla was able to sell a total of 2,792 Model Y units. That was enough to also make the all-electric crossover Norway's best-selling vehicle in the first quarter. This is quite an impressive feat for Tesla, especially since sales were throttled during the quarter due to the company's changeover to the new Model Y Tesla in other European markets. Tesla's results in Europe during the first quarter were a mixed bag. In Germany alone, Tesla saw 4,935 vehicles sold in Q1 2025. As per the German road traffic agency KBA, Tesla's sales in March dropped 42.5% to 2,229 units year-over-year. This was despite overall EV registrations rising 35.3% during the month. In Italy, new vehicle registrations rebounded 51% in March from the previous year to 2,217 units, as per data from the Transport Ministry. This is still quite impressive, considering that Tesla has become a very polarizing carmaker in Europe, thanks in no small part to CEO Elon Musk's politics and close relation to USA President Donald Trump. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.